Welcome to Advocate Kamran Ali Isran's Facebook page. Today, we will be discussing Section 497 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, CR. Section 497 of the Crpc, and when bail may be taken in cases of non-bailable offences under Pakistani law. PC states that any person accused of a non-bailable offence may apply for bail in the court of the relevant jurisdiction. However, the court may grant bail to the accused only if it is satisfied that there are sufficient grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty of the offence for which they have been accused. The court will take into consideration several factors before granting bail to an accused in a non-bailable offence. Firstly, the court will consider the nature and seriousness of the offence. Secondly, the court will examine the evidence presented against the accused and determine whether it is sufficient to establish their guilt. Thirdly, the court will take into account the likelihood of the accused absconding or interfering with the investigation if released on bail. If the court is satisfied that the accused is not guilty of the offence or if the evidence against them is not sufficient, it may grant bail to the accused. The court may also impose certain conditions on the accused as a condition of bail, such as surrendering their passport or not leaving the jurisdiction of the court without permission. It is important to note that the grant of bail is not an acquittal or a finding of innocence. The accused must still face trial and prove their innocence in court. Additionally, the prosecution may challenge the grant of bail in a higher court if they believe that the accused is a flight risk or may interfere with the investigation. In conclusion, Section 497 of the Crpc allows for the grant of bail in cases of non-bailable offences in Pakistani law. However, the court will only grant bail if it is satisfied that there are sufficient grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty of the offence or if the evidence against them is not sufficient. The grant of bail is not an acquittal, and the accused must still face trial and prove their innocence in court.